Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're fixing Davinci Resolve GPU initialization failed. So I'm going to show you two steps in this video that will potentially fix this issue. These are the steps that work the most. So first of all, you need to make sure to go into your Windows settings, and then in the search type in graphics settings and go here. And guys, you need to find where your Davinci Resolve is. Basically press on browse and find the Davinci Resolve executable. As you can see, it's going to be under program files, like Magic Design, Davinci Resolve, and then resolve.exe. Then you go to options and set this to high performance. And the other fix is going to be going to your drivers and updating them. So some people recommend updating from the device manager, but it's not effective. So guys, if you're on AMD just like me, press on manage updates. And if you have the new updated version of your drivers, make sure to download and install it. If you're on NVIDIA, it's very simple. You just go to the NVIDIA driver app, and then there's going to be a button to update drivers as well for your GPU, and update them as well from there. And this should fix the issue with the game with the app not initializing. So hopefully you enjoy and this helps. Guys, subscribe to the channel and press like on the video. See you soon.